Today I want to say something about the private teachers who have been suffering since the lockdown is continued. As we know that the government has been planning to do everything for the public, for the government servant, but the government is not going to take any strict decision about the future of the private teachers. As you know that in India, there are so many private schools in which many private teachers have been working. Some schools gives very less salary to the private teachers, but somehow they are managing without forcing the government that they 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 will take higher salary. But the private teachers start working in the private school from the salary of 2000 and onwards. The school has been closed for the last since March, but it's still nobody is thinking about the future of the private teachers. The private teachers are only person who are saving the future of the children by working very poor salary. The school manager of the schools are not going to pay the salary of the any months advance to the private teachers since the lockdown is going on. Then I want to ask the government that whether the government should not take any decision in the favor of the private teachers by thinking how the private teachers are going to just lead their life in the future without getting any advantage from their schools in which they have been working. If the teachers are not going to get any salary in the future, then how they will spend their life? The government has still not made any kind of the rule that if the private teachers are going to be taken out from the school, then there is no rule for the private teachers. There is no any strict there is no rule that how much private teachers should be given the salary by the school. They are just like the people who are going to be taken any time by the principal of the private school. I would like to request the government. The government should at least take the decision as soon as possible in the favor of the private teachers and about their problem from which they have been suffering. The major problem we are facing right now is the salary matter. We still anyone can think that the teachers are supposed to have been taken the place of the God. And it is the person that is the teacher who can do something for the country. It is the teacher who will save the future of the children. Even today the labor who is working in a factory are getting around 500 rupees per day. But the private teachers is still getting 100 rupees per day. Some teacher gets 200 per day because there is no any rules for the private teachers. Now I'm going to just end up my speech right now, and I will discuss later regarding this matter. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I will discuss later with